Hi guys, remember my promise that I told you I was doing my video with my birds? Yes guys, we're going with the market now, people. So what up on the market now? Who one bird to buy? Who one bird to buy? So girl Super J, we think like Cooper K, one says speech, dancing, cooking, jack of all children, I ain't playing people. Yes guys, so this evening now, here's the bird them guy who want one bird to buy. Hmm? Which one I want for buy those? Pick, choose, refuse, and comment down below and tell me which one I know. And want this one here to buy with the pelican. This here is pelican. See there? Coconut bird. You can use them as ashtrays. You can use them as flower spots. Paint them and decorate them because they don't have any eyes yet. Yeah, they don't have any eyes yet. Okay, you burn the eye in them. Yes. Use something and burn the eye in them. Yes. So they look like they are looking at us. Okay, guys. Yes. But these are the birds I was telling you guys about the other day. Yes, guys. Pelicans. And these are some normal birds. Yes. Some normal birds. Yes, guys. Let me show you some more. Yes, guys. Here's some normal birds. You see? You can use it as ashtrays. But mostly flowers, pots, and all them. Anything I want to use them as, guys. Anything. So then come out. Yes, so then come out, guys. Hold on, guys. Yes, guys, as I was saying, guys, I can use them as anything as you guys like. Guys, when they decorate, they look so beautiful and so wonderful looking. Yes, guys. When they paint up, guys, and decorate up, guys, they look more attractive. But because these are carved to sell, yes, guys, if you guys need anything to buy, you can contact me. Send a comment down below and tell me so I can let the person know that made them to contact you guys. You guys can contact him, okay, people? Yes, guys. So this is the birds I was telling you guys about. This one has 4 on it. See? This one has 4 on it. Can you guys see it? This one has 4 on it. Mommy, daddy, and babies. Okay? Yeah. This one has 4 on it. Okay, guys? Yes. And this one is a couple. See they're facing one another? See there? They're facing one another. Very cool. But when they paint, guys, and decorate, guys, they look so beautiful. Yes, guys, look here. This is 2 little ones. I don't know if they're adults or they are children. It's a mass of people. I don't know if they're adults or they are children. But you know you have small adults. Yes, that's why I don't know if they're adults or they are children. Okay? Yes, guys. So there you go, guys. These are the birds I was telling you guys that I was going to do another video with. Yes, guys. Remember, guys, if you want any of these birds to buy, guys, because they sell them to tourists in the craft markets, guys. So if you need any of these birds to buy, guys, just comment on the video down below and let me know. So I will be able to get in touch with the person. So I will be able to give you guys his contact. So you guys will be able to contact him. Okay, guys, I don't just want to leave his contact on social media just like that, and then no one don't send up an offer for any bird. But if you guys want any bird to buy, guys, just let me know in my comment section. Yes, guys. So I will be able to communicate with the person that made them, so that you guys will be able to get notified. Yes, you guys can be able to get some. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. Okay, people. Yes, guys, there you have 2 pretty one at the front, guys. Those was somewhere else, guys. As you can see, some stuff is inside of them, guys. That's all I tell you, guys. You can use any O and all you guys choose to use them. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. So yes, guys. So there's 2 pretty one there. So guys, that is how they look beautiful when they are finished. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. So you can paint them in any color you guys like. And putting the eye inside in the. Yes, many people put eye in them. You can use paint or you can burn them. Okay, guys, see there? Oh, they look when they're finished. Up, yes, guys. And so anything at all in them. Anything at all I want to put them in, you can put them in there. Because when you put them on the dresser or your whatnot, or wherever you put them in the house, they make the house look a little bit colorful. Okay, guys. So yes, guys, these are the birds, guys. Yes, the birds, coconut birds. Yes, people carve them out and ox them out. Take out coconut. Use coconut if coconut is good. Yes, if coconut ain't good, then throw coconut away. This is a pelican and another normal bird here. I have a normal bird around here, and I have a pelican. This is what I call pelican. The long beak, yes, pelican or pelican. One of the two of them, pelican. I'm more who say pelican, yeah, pelican. Okay, and there is a normal bird. Okay, guys, yes. Our area has 3 normal birds. 3 normal birds. Mom, dad, and a child. Okay, right. Mom, dad, and a child. There they go. There have birds, people. I remember the beautiful one them at the front. The two beautiful one at the front. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. The two small one again. Yes. And show you two more smaller one, guys. Two smaller one. There they are. Two smaller one than those. See there? And if I go back down in the bag where they were, I could find some smaller one. Yes, see them here? And they show you guys these already. The mommy and daddy and the two babies. Yes, see them here? Yes. This is a whole family. Family of 4. This is family of 2. This is a couple without none. This is like 2 child and the mommy gone out to get food for them. And this is a family of 3. This is another one. I'll say this one is seeking attention from that one. I don't know whichever way you want to put it, but those are another couple. It's another family style, like. Okay, guys, yes. But these are the birds I was telling you guys about. Yes. They have a small couple right here that is all finished. Yes. A small couple, they are small, and this is there. Yes, this is there, and a baby, and this is there. Small 2 couple right here. Normal, but look at the beak. Look at the beak. Yes, guys. So when I paint them, guys, they look beautiful. Okay, people, you want to use the paints on them and get the eye in them, and then you can see the beautification of all these coconut birds. Okay, people. Yes, guys. Oh, but you guys are hearing me clearly and loudly. If you guys are hearing music in the background, I don't want to copyright of those music. Yes, guys. But the birds are so very delicate, guys. So if you don't know what you're doing, you'll break them before they are sold. Okay, people. So I think I'm going to go on the market and I'm going to sell some bird. Yes, people. Bird on here. Who want bird to buy? Who want bird to buy? I have $500 one. Come on, people. Come purchase the bird them right now. Come on, people. Come on. So Bobby Illa come buy on the bird them right now. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, people. Yes, people. Yes, girls, super everything. A lot of people came with a speech, dancing, cooking, jack of all children, and plain people. Yes, people. So come and buy the bird them, people. Come on, people. Come on buy the bird them. What am I saying for do? Come and buy the bird them right now, people. What am I saying must go do? Come and purchase the bird them right now. $500 for one, people. Yes, I'm going to come buy them right now. Comment down below and tell me say yes, I want one bird to buy right now, people. If you don't want them to buy right now, just tell me say yes. I'm on my way to come and get one. Okay, people. So bird on here, bird. What's that? Bird on here upon the corner. Yes, people. Bird on here upon the corner. You don't want any to buy? You don't want any to buy? I say you don't want any coconut bird to buy? Listen here. I'm not play with you on here, you know, because I market me there, you know. I might talk about my bird. I sell them thing them. I don't want to go like one laugh after me now. Bird on here. You don't want any bird to buy? Anybody want a bird to buy a coconut bird? Yes, but they want to not sell. Nobody look for them one. They want to not sell. Let's take here for them one. They want to not sell us. Bird to buy. Who want bird? Coconut bird. Any kind of want any style. Who want a pelican or pelican. Who want normal bird to look baby on here. I don't want a couple on here. The couple of pelican, eh? You want a couple of pelican? And tell me which one them want. Just tell me which one them want the people. Come on, I sell some bird on here. Say me people, I sell them more people. I sell them more. 500 and a one. Come 500 one and then gone. Come people, come right now. Come buy one right. Mr. One for gonna come buy one of the bird right now. Mr. For gonna come down people, mommy away pound. Come on, me can't but no can I was on no yellow frog in my background, so young toad in my background. Come on, well one go on. Bird in the night. Come on people, come Mr. People, come on people, come. Run, come subscribe, like and share and subscribe and like up the video. Okay, people. Run, come subscribe, share, comment and like up the video. Okay, people. Yeah, Super J is up. I make myself stumbling in every video, people. But remember, say where I sell some bird around here, people. Come buy them, people. Come buy them. Don't you not sell? Nobody put the hype on them. They not sell. No, they not sell. But come buy them when they run it, so people. Come buy them, paint them up and make them look pretty. And yeah, put them in the house and you can go sell them on the sell also, people. You can go sell them on the sell also, people. So come buy on the bird, people. Come back, Mr. Come buy on the bird and the people. People come buy on the bird and family and me sell bird on here. See them here? I sell bird on here, coconut bird on here. You don't want any to buy? Who want any bird to buy? I say them to you and sell. Then to you have the market. Them the two are sold already. So nobody look on them today. Look on the one them over there. So yes. Look on the one over there. So yes. Them we talk about. Them bird we talk about. You don't want couple bird. You don't want family bird. You don't want single bird. Yeah, single bird they make connect with the people. So if you want single bird, just check me out about the one. That's the people. So you don't want couple bird, single bird, three bird. Which one I read them? You don't want people. Just talk up to me right now, people. Just talk up to me right now and get anyone can I better for buy right now, right now, people. I'll train you phone, you can come people. I saw 3-4 missing, come go. Come people, come. You know like the big city around here, so them big and follow through. Like that one here, yes. All I want to know would have gone for special price. See the people, see me say me now play around people. Come on people, come. Come buy the burden people. Myself come up buy the burden people. Come buy the burden. So them to you now sell. Nobody look on them to them because they not camera. Don't look on them to them because they not sell. Just look on them one over here. So yes people, look on them one over here. So they want to be attacked. But okay guys, yes guys. So you go Super J again people waiting a lot of cook here. I'm say speech, dancing, cooking. I say Jacka Fall trade. Paint. When I say Jacka Fall trade, me not play people. So I'm drop on that bang video again people. Remember if you can run come purchase a burden people. Run come purchase the people in burden right now. This guy run come purchase people in burden right now people. Remember like, comment, subscribe, share. Okay guys, I'm out. Bye guys. Bye people. Love you all.